4 days out from the election, I'm standing here on Sunday evening after a day of campaigning, after having my volunteers in my office, after they have door knocked and we ran a positive campaign, and I am shaken to my core by what I have just experienced. A group of people from the Labour Party's team showed up outside our campaign office, aggressive, looking for a fight, coming towards me. In fact, I'll show you. I recorded this myself. A member of the Labour Party's team coming towards us to attack us, and the cabinet member herself having to pull them back. How can they talk about running a clean campaign and running with dignity when they come outside our office to attack us and we're having to call the police? This cannot be how we do democracy in this country. This cannot be, this bullying and these aggressive tactics cannot be how we run this election.